Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of HORIBA Yumizen E60 Deproteinizer. Here we can see the brand name HORIBA, product name Yumizen E60 Deproteinizer. The reference number of this kit is 4000065504. Description: Yumizen E60 Deproteinizer is intended for use only in the electrolyte E60 analyzer. Here we can see the warning message: store 250 to 30 degrees Celsius is normal room temperature for in vitro diagnostic use only. Here we can see this is a 100 ml pack. Here we can see also manufacturing date and the expiry date. Here we can see the manufacturing address. Manufactured from HORIBA India Private Limited. So the origin of the kit is India. This is the overall view of this product. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the HORIBA Yumizen E60 Deproteinizer. It is a 100 ml of pack used for electrolyte E60 analyzer only. The reference number of this kit is 4000065504. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.